Dr. Benet's incredible discovery. In 1939, Dr. Sula Benet found an apparent error in the Bible, a mistranslated word that, according to Benet, revealed the lost recipe to Holy Anointed Oil. Bullet icon. The Exodus Effect reveals all. Inside Exodus Effect, you'll get all of Dr. Sula Benet's proof that shows you step by step how to easily make your own real holy anointed oil at home for pennies on the dollar. In fact, once you get the book, you could be enjoying your own anointed oil within a few hours. Bullet icon. Why it might change what it means to be a Christian. For many Christians, this biblical breakthrough goes against everything they've been told. In fact, because Exodus Effect defies conventional wisdom, when they experience the incredible benefits for themselves, they have no other choice but to believe. Bullet icon. Viewer discretion is advised. The information inside this video, as well as inside the Exodus Effect, is by all means controversial. For example, most Christians are shocked by what they discover 8 minutes in. And folks who get the Exodus Effect book are blown away by how quickly and easily they're able to use it to help transform their health. I'll leave the link to the official website in the description, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.